So I've built myself a ISO with a tool called ArcoLinux application Glade, which we can install with sudo pacman, right? Sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux, but it's there already if you have the application, if you have the Excel app Glade, right? That's it. And then git or dev development. Well, development is not for you guys, but for us to test it out. So this is already installed and we've just made it. Let's just go through the motions. Yes, please. And then AAG, and then there you go. And I've just clicked a button. Basically, I just said create, sorry, create and done. Now, topic of the video is I want to test something out with XFC inside VirtualBox. Now, VirtualBox is not installed. Super F7 is normally the link, right? But if it's not installed, it's not going to work. What I personally do is get Nemesis on ArcoLinux. This gives me code that I can run, and it's going to go into data, ArcoLinux Nemesis. Let's wait for it. It's still not there. And then we have the AUR, yeah, true. And in here is the install VirtualBox for Linux or hardened LTS or Zen. I'm on the simple kernel, the normal kernel, and I just say to the system install, and then a lot of choices. Vert is enough, and then dot. There you go. So instead of going to type everything, I just launch the script, and the topic of this is the interesting way of launching it like this. Have a look at the code. If you have these, if you install for the very first time, you get these yellow bars at the top, and we don't want to suppress. We don't want to see them. Suppress all these messages. I don't like it. It's always the same thing. After each install, I have to suppress it. So if I run it like this, all these yellow bars is not there. But as you see, they ask me to reboot. That's an important thing, as well as going into your settings and your motherboard settings and make sure that these, how they call it again, the setting is correct for virtual machines, VMware, boxes, and all these guys, that it's available. I don't recall the name right now. Okay, so we'll stop the video here and we'll reboot.